Welcome traders, Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video you will going to learn about the OTE entry with a new setup. It's mean this strategy is made by the ICT guy, but I add something on this strategy which help you to increase your win rate awesomely. Okay, so watch this video till end. It's very easy and a very short video. It will be really helpful for you. Directly jump to the point. We will come to the direct to a daily of Euro USDT, GBP USDT or any forex pair or indices. Okay, after a long downtrend, price make a market structure shift to the upside and we found here the OTE, the optimal trade entry. Okay, what happened, we have this Fibonacci level to this and where price making downside, this is the up where the price moving downside, and we anticipate that price will come on these three areas. If you see the setting mark out, I will let you know why this is important. Okay, this is ICT setting that ICT use. Okay, tap on this area 0.6 to 0.79 and to the upside, and this is the important point 0.17, because many time what happen, price touch this area and then go back downside. So must you take partial here or set break even or close half position, it's all up to you. Okay, once price break this zero, okay, which was here, okay, once it break it, so we will wait for the price to the come downside. Once it come downside, we set like this, we forward the previous leg and the upper leg. Okay, now we are anticipating that price will come here in this area and then go upside, okay, as per OT. Okay, but in daily we say price is moving downside in the downtrend. It means it's retesting the level, the discount area. Okay, the upside is a premium, it's the discount area. So what we have to do, we mark out our area zone. This is the zone where we can anticipate that price will go to a upside and make a new high. Okay, until that we don't have to wait to price come after a 1 week 2 week to come here and mitigate and then go upside. We will go to the we will take a counter trend in the short time frame until this point. We mark out that after this point we don't take any short position until its confirmation. Okay, we'll go to the 4-hour time frame and I remove this. Okay, in 4-hour time frame also price is moving lower low, making lower lows and lower highs like this. Okay, so we also know the daily is bullish externally and bearish internally, means internal structure is bearish, and 4-hour also change his character in here. Okay, so we also take trade bearish on the same day. So now what I have to do, I have to go a 15-minute time frame, okay, and find a recent swing point where I can take a trade. Okay, so here was the this level, okay, where price did not come and broke the zero level. So what I do, I do the jump to the next point and next point here. Okay, this is the leg and price tap here. Okay, price tap here. After tapping here, I give you here a small sauce which can help you in your trading journey. Remember this point. In 15 minutes, once the price tap here, shift to in the 1-minute time frame and wait for a market structure shift or break of structure. This was a high, change of character here. Okay, sorry. Here let me found a valid pullback. This one not a valid, yeah, this one a valid pullback because this wick is a high and does not take a low. Okay, so this was a valid. Here is the change of character. Here was the inducement. Okay, and here was the our first POI after inducement, right? We found here many reasons, so we don't have to put a stop loss to the upside until here as per ICT. Okay, we take only a little risk here. we tap here, we take a 6 for the high of this level, okay, because this take also the liquidity, and then you can target the 15-minute area, okay. This area, let's see, does it work or we hit our SL. Let me see, we are in again, we go upside, we are, yeah, we save and we hit, okay. So the good thing also I want to tell here that I forget, you have to see, does the price hit your area in any kill zone hours like Asia, London or New York. So it was hit on your midnight, so it does not have a good quality. So you have to see, is Asia open or night. In Asia also price came and retest and also then go downside, okay. So this is the probability also make your win rate high. So you have to what to do in 15 minutes. Once you find the OTE, you must go to the 1 minute time frame and find a change of character with inducement, and then you will enter, okay. For example, if price is bullish in 1 minute, okay, and you have to do find a change of character, then wait for an inducement. After taking out the inducement, find out the any first order block or extreme one, and then you will go for a sell, okay. Remember, this module must take out the inducement, okay. If not inducement, many times what happen, price did not make any inducement and direct go upside. You see many this type of fake things, okay. Remember one thing, the 1 minute change of character only valid, not everywhere valid, only valid when price tap on your POI area. It can be order block or your this our discount or premium zone or any POI, only valid that area, because that is your POI. On the way, any change of character is not valid. Remember this point, okay. I hope you learned something here. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and join our Telegram channel. It's a free. I post here my strategy based trading setups, which are totally free, and I will let you know once I got 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So guys, help me to increase my subscribers. It will be really helpful, and thank you very much.